Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can exit the full screen. So what is going to happen that you are in full screen, right? And you don't know how did you get here. So what you want to do is just simply press F11 and you will get out of it. So I'm in like this side, the new side. I'm in F11 and I want to go get rid of the full screen. So again, I press F11. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And have a great day and goodbye.